Hello children, I am Jaismary Francis from FMC Academy. I am here with the CBSE class 7th mathematics chapter number 4, that is simple equations. I think the chapter is very simple and interesting one, and it is very important chapter because till you go to class 10th the same chapter but with a different name, with a little bit different difficulty level, it will be increasing. So let's start with a small mind game. So here just see, suppose let us take two girls over here. I am taking one girl as Anu and another one Meenu. Right? These two girls, they are playing game. Now what Anu is saying to Meena, that just think of some number. She is saying to Meena, means Meenu, just think of any number. So Meenu, she thinks of a number and she is saying that the number what she thought it is X. The number which she thought it is X. And then Anu is saying, now whatever you thought, with that you multiply by 4. So the next step now, whatever she thought that is X, multiply with the 4. Next she is saying, now whatever you have, with that add 5 with that. Anu is saying to Meena, whatever you have, with that add 5. Okay. Now she is asking, she is asking to Meenu, what is the result you have? So Meenu is saying that the result is like this. 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. Right? Now the question comes here, what number Meenu thought in the beginning? Means that is x. What is the value of this x? So here just in this game, nobody is knowing the answer in the class. So Meenu, she herself is saying the answer immediately. Okay. So she is saying that the number which she thought, that is 15. The number which she thought it is 15. Then only 4 into 15, that is 60 plus 5. So 65 you will get. 65 which is equal to 65. So this is what the game. But actually here the surprise comes to everybody's mind. Like how we will come to know. She knows that she thought that number, she told the answer immediately. But for others it is very difficult to identify, to get the answer all of the sudden, right? Otherwise what we will do, let's try in our way. Suppose we are not knowing what number she thought, so what we will do, we will be trying maybe this number or maybe that number, like that we will be trying. So the thing which she has taken, that is 4x plus 5 which is equal to 65, she said, right? Now here to find out, like we are trying from our side, so we are saying that 4 in place of x, let us take 5 and try now. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 5, 25 it is coming. Okay, it's not possible. Then next, now suppose 4 into 10 you take it, plus 5 which is 4 into 10, 40, plus 5 will get 45. So this is also not right answer because we want to get 65. And then suppose you take it 15, 4 into 15 plus 5. So now you are getting 65, 4 into 15. So this way we are just trying. This is actually called a trial and error method. We are trying with the different values in place of x. Okay. So actually that's what we are coming to the concept. This, what is the name given to this x? Okay, that is actually called a variable. In class 6 introduction you all studied, I think so, what is variable, what is constant. Then also let me revise once again what is the meaning of this variables and constants, how it is used. Okay children. So here variable, actually variable means it takes different values. It takes different values, or you can say it has value is keeps on changing. This is what actually say it as variable. Okay, so means why we say, and when we have taken the equation was 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. Here you would have noticed 4 into 5 we take, and then 4 into 10 we take, and then 4 into 15 we take, right? So in these places different answers we were getting. Like in this one we were getting 25, Here we were getting 45, here we were getting 65. So in this very important point you can observe here, it takes different values. Which one? It means variable. So here what is the variable? X. So X you can observe here, it takes different values over here. First it is taking 5, then it is taking 10 and it is taking 15. Different values it is taking. Means the value is keeps on changing. It does not have the fixed value. It is having different values. So that's why it is keeps on changing. So only X can be taken as variable or any other variables are there. Yes. From A to Z, all the letters whatever you have, they are called variables. So the examples are A, B, C, all this X, Y, Z. But the main thing is they should be in the small letters, not in the capital letters. Okay. Yes. Let's move to the next one, that is constant. Constants means just opposite to this variable. Constants. It means very simple one. It has fixed value. Okay, all the numbers. It has fixed value means what? Suppose consider you are taking 5. Okay. Or I am taking the example rupees 5 I am saying. The value of rupees 5 today, tomorrow or after 5 years, after 10 years, all the time the value of 5 is always 5 only. It is fixed. The value of this 5 will not be changed at any time. That's why it is called a constant. So constant means all the numbers. Whatever the numbers are there, all those numbers are called examples for constants. Okay, I think it's very clear. The next part now, expression. So actually expression means what? It is a combination of variable and constants along with some operations. Like when we have written the example in the beginning, 4x plus 5 is said. Okay. So here this 4x is a variable and 5 is a constant. Both are combined by this sign, by the addition sign. So that is called expressions, right? Now whether this expression is a equation or not, if there is any question, definitely not, because it is the expression only. Then when you will say that it is an equation, yes, there should be some equal sign, and after the equal sign, actually we are written like this way, is equal to 65, right? Now this is called an equation. Okay, so it means when you can say any particular thing is the equation if there is equal sign between the LHS and the RHS. So when you consider this example, equal sign is there, right? And before equal sign, whatever it is there, it is called the LHS. That is left hand side before the sign, equal sign, and this one is called RHS, means right hand side. So these two sides, and the two sides are differentiated by the equal sign. Then only we can say it is a equation. Okay. So I think now what is the difference between the expression and equation is very clear. Expression does not have the equal sign, and the equation is having the equal sign, having two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Yes children, let's see what is equation and what are the important concepts based on equations. So the first point is, equation means there should be always equality sign. It's very important. Without equality sign, you cannot say it is an equation. For example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. So here you can say, or you can say that this one which is given here, it is an equation. Why? Because there is a equal sign. Okay, first point. The next point, actually we can say that an equation is a condition on a variable. Actually we are taking one variable here, right? On the means if you take LHS side, there is a variable. In the variable we can say it is a condition. Okay, it is a condition on a variable. It means what is the meaning? What is the condition? So the condition is saying that two expression, that is one is this left hand side, LHS side, and another one is RHS side. So both the expressions should have equal value. Okay, means LHS should be equal to RHS. That's what we are saying here. The condition is that two expressions should be having the equal value. The next one, at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. So you can see here actually two expressions are there. that is 2x plus 5, this one expression, 2x plus 5, this is one expression, LHS side is equal to 15, this is RHS, this is another expressions, two expressions are there. So in the expressions you can see one side there is a variable, in this side if you see here we have the variable, it should be, suppose if not then what will happen, then it is not an expression, it is not the equation, because now just see, imagine you are taking this type of example, 4 plus 5, what you will get is equal to 9, it is not the equation. Okay, that's why here we are saying at least one of the two expression, any one side, it may be left hand side or it may be right hand side, any one of the side there must be variable. Then an equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and right sides are interchanged. So meaning is what, suppose here 2x plus 15 we have written. So in this example which we have taken, this is the LHS left hand side and that is 15 is the RHS. Suppose you can interchange now. I can write it like this way, 15 is equal to 2x plus 5. So when I interchange this one, the value of the equation does not change. It remains the same only. Whatever you are going to get the value here, the same you will be having over here. So that is also one of the very, very important points. Okay, I think all these points are very clear to everybody.